The 3 countries that eat the most meat. Number 3. Australia. In Australia, meat consumption is deeply rooted in culinary culture. On average, each Australian consumes about 267 pounds of meat a year. This is partly due to the popularity of barbecues where beef and lamb are often the stars. The vast expanses of land suitable for livestock farming also contribute to this significant consumption. Number 2. The United States. In the land often dubbed as the fast food nation, each American consumes on average about 275 pounds of meat every year. The country is also one of the largest meat producers, especially of beef, chicken, and pork, making meat easily accessible and abundant in their daily diet. Number 1. Luxembourg. Despite its small size, this country boasts an impressive consumption of around 297 pounds of meat per person annually. This high number can be attributed to a combination of culinary traditions, a high purchasing power, and cultural influences from neighboring countries like France and Germany, where meat holds a prime spot in gastronomy.